Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How are we all doing today? It's not our usual stream day, but I figured I was gonna write some code, so I clicked the start stream button. Oh no! But how are we all doing today? I think I broke R in Prigment for local hooks with an assumption that I thought was right, but it's a little bit more subtle than I expected. So we're gonna try and fix that, or figure out if it's broken first off, and then I guess fix it. I broke an ARM? No, I broke the programming language called R. How are y'all doing today? Pandoxer was first today. Hello, hello. Belnothis is also here. JJMC, good to see you. Dean Elspeth out on Sushi Sunday. Sushi sounds good. I haven't had sushi in a while. Kinda want sushi. S1 Cube! Thank you for the resub at why? Oh, don't have my dashboard open. Whoops, my bad. 20-ish? 21 months! Good to see you again. Thank you for your continued support. It's Verl. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hakatos is also here, as is Walker Codes. How you doing, both of you? Do upgrade releasing all my servers today. Oh. Is that the one that goes between LTS releases in Ubuntu? I don't even remember. I usually start from scratch. Every time yeah. Every time I have done a release upgrade, I have had to figure out how to rescue a system that no longer has graphical. Which usually isn't too bad, but it shouldn't happen every time. Now granted, the last time I tried this was between 1204 and I went from 1204 to 2004. Oh no. Why does Pokey have 3 months of sub in my channel, Beldothis? Why you do this? Lord Ira's also here. Hello, hello. At least in non-graphical, which their servers, no issues there. Yeah. For me, it was mostly like media PCs, like things hooked up to TVs where I want to be able to click around and open up YouTube, and they also happen to work as blah 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 blah. What the fuck? They also happen to work as servers at the same time, but yeah. Admittedly, it was probably my fault for breaking them. 1204 was the era that I didn't know better and definitely installed like GCC backports, which I think also involved SSL backports, and like yeah, anytime you do something like that, you're kind of sort of asking for pain. But also I don't know. It's been 10 fucking years. They've probably improved the updater in some way, but your apps are all running via Docker. Yeah, that's probably the easy way. Okay, I have learned that the VirtualBox update has broken my fucking scene switcher, which God, it just feels like I'm trading one bug for another bug at this point, right? Like at least this thing works now, which was driving me up a fucking wall. But recording YouTube videos and scene switching is now way more work because I have to click out of my VM. The weird thing is it does the little animation properly. Oh, I see there's lag now. I wonder if I don't even remember. When's the last time I fucked around with this? Oops. Backslash. Hard to find one? No. Stop it. Don't do that. Don't tell me what to do. Don't apologize to me. Just don't do that. No one wants that. Never. Just don't do that. No one fucking wants your recommendations. Just let people do what they do. Earth Beast, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, so in theory, this used to work. I wonder why it doesn't work now. I wonder if there's a way to sleep. Might not be. QMK delay. Fuck off. At a delay, perhaps? I don't want to be on Reddit. What the fuck? Deferred execution API. It is pretty cold outside here too. I think VirtualBox so much. I always had weird problems before moving to Linux all the time. It's usually, well, it's usually fine. I could probably go back 2 releases and it would be okay. KAs, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Do I want to do this? Like, I feel like the problem is, so what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to type right control and then press the key, but I suspect it's not doing. Oh, wait, right control is toggle now. Is that how this is actually implemented here? Right control, yeah. No, I have it right. It taps right control, then presses this key a bunch of times, and then presses right control again. So there must be like, they must have added a delay in the driver that, oh, actually, am I on the latest? I might not be on the latest guest editions. Maybe this is my fault. Optical remove, yes. Maybe this will just fix itself. Rage. Hello? Why didn't it prompt me? Not to run.sh. Bad password. Anxiety. Hello, hello. How you doing? Ruby says, I'm guessing, why are you using Ubuntu and what are the advantages of it? You can watch, oops, this video. Stitcher says, did you get a haircut? I did indeed. Yeah, okay. So maybe after this upgrade it'll work. Copium. Hopium. Looks nice, thanks. I mean, I just got them all cut off. It's kind of funny though. Before I got my haircut, somebody at the gym asked me what classes I was taking at U of M. I'm like, I'm 31. I haven't taken classes in a very long time. But after I got my haircut, somebody asked me if I was 38 years old. I don't know why they picked 38, but it's, I guess, a choice. Okay, so then I need to reboot. All right, chat. No one talk, or do talk if you don't want to get logged. Oh fuck, this is running. Damn. Well, I'll just test whether it works later. I guess I could test it in another VM. Yeah, let's do that. I'll update and upgrade my work VM and then see if it works there. Man, Doctor says maybe it works, maybe get some brand new bugs. Yeah, that's basically what it is. And they shaming non-traditional students. That wasn't my intention, but typically when people just assume you're in school, yeah, when they make some assumptions like that, usually they're assuming that you're young. But okay, let's do the guest editions here. Oh, that's not the right one. This one. What the run? Bad password. Oh no, we've seen the password? Yeah, it's bad password. Still bad password. Oh man, these ones are really out of date. That makes me think this isn't gonna fix it. Yeah, I'm thinking it's not gonna fix it. It says, realize I'm closer to retirement age than birth at this point and got real depressed. Oh no. You know what they say, your habits don't solidify until you're 38. I don't think they say that, do they? Do they say that? I feel like that's not a thing that I've heard. Also, this is very weird. Where did my terminal go? Why does the title... They must do set proc title or whatever, or not set proc title, the funny little escape sequences that causes the terminal title bar to change. Press return to close this window. Huh. Interesting. Alright, let's turn off my computer. Goodbye, chat. Gyro Hamon, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Actually, I should not make that joke anymore. Because I have learned that when I make that joke, my viewer count drops because people assume I'm actually ending stream. They're just watching in the background. They're like, "Oh, well, I guess he's ending stream now. Guess I should leave." Maya Thunk, thanks for stream, right? Which joke one last time, please? Oh, when I shut down my computer, when I shut down my VM. It's not a very good joke. It's barely a joke. Alright. Oh, let's see if upgrading these is going to work. I doubt it. Alright. Yeah, it doesn't fucking work. Damn, that's really annoying. Does it do it if I mash it? No. That's so annoying. I hate it so much. Okay, let's see if there's a macro. What is SS tap? QMK SS tap. Blah blah blah. This sounds useful. Using macros and C keymaps. Dude, I don't even know how to flash this thing anymore. It's been so long. Yeah, there's SS tap. Cool. SS delay. Let's try this. SS delay. Surely 100 milliseconds should be right. Should be enough, right? Is this in milliseconds? Should be milliseconds, right? Yeah, milliseconds. Let's try that. God, I don't even remember how to use QMK. I don't remember how to do this. How do I use QMK again? This does not look comfortable. I feel like there's like an executable. I feel like it used to be on my desktop. Let's see if it's on my desktop. QMK. Must have moved it. I feel like I'm supposed to build somehow too. God, I don't even remember how. There is a make file. There's probably a reamd. There's just a C file there. Fuck, I don't know. I don't remember how to do this. Build custom QMK firmware. Install QMK. No, I'm on Windows. Doesn't help me. I'm pretty sure there's like a graphical UI thing. Right? QMK Windows. Yeah, this toolbox thing sounds like what I want. Yeah, I think this is the thing. Yeah, let's just download random exe from the internet and then... Oh god. I don't even know. Would you like to install drivers for your devices? Sure. God. What is this doing? Nilixis, hello, how you doing? I don't have these processors. Why is it installing them? Okay. I'm going to open my firmware. There's no way this is going to work. I have huge doubts on this. Where the fuck is it? How do I get my home directory? Okay, we'll do the slow way. Q. Keyboards. Keybio. This isn't gonna work. There's no way this is gonna work. Keybio. CDN9. Keymaps. IDK. Yeah, this didn't fucking work. How do I build this thing? I feel like you build it with a thing somehow. Oh, I wish I remember how this worked. Oh, there's a hex file there. How do I make that? Make keybio bdn9 keymaps bdn9 idk.hex. Obviously, I don't have make. I feel so stupid. Why is this? Oh, QMK firmware build hex. QMK compile. Okay, where does that come from? Is there a virtual env here? There's script? There's bin QMK. Python 3 bin QMK. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Cannot find arg complete. Mother. How did I possibly do this before? This doesn't feel right at all. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Grandpa is learning Swift, but I hate Xcode. I feel like Xcode's actually kind of nice. Go to sleep, Bell. Now that sounds good. Sounds good. Leon scripts pip install requirements.txt. Watch the stream VOD from May 10th, 2020 and see how fast Anthony did it. That is actually a good idea. Although looks like I did it May 30th. And to open file. Is it CWD? I think it's Kerner or something stupid. Or %CD? Cannot open file. Oh, I did the wrong thing. Well, that's a good sign. Lockstock J, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't know what you're doing. It looks like a nightmare. I'm not following the directions, and I'm not learning from past me. That's what I'm doing. Alright, we're gonna look up an old VOD. Which drive is that on? H? Yeah. 2020. Then we're looking for May. That is November. Definitely not that one. May 25th. This one is edited. Must have done something dumb that day. 29th. 30th. Oh god, this is an old stream. Oh, we can find the... Oh, I am actually working on the thing that it's... Oh, look at that! Okay. Alright, past me. Show me... Show me the magic past me. Yeah, fucking get there. Oh, this is like right when I got my new keyboard. I don't have the shirt I'm wearing there anymore. It got stained and I got rid of it. Alright, are we gonna just talk to chat or are we gonna show the build command? I'm just gonna mute the sound because it's just gonna be annoying. Huh. Yeah, like I go over the code here. But I don't think I actually built it here. Which is annoying. Belwada, hello, how you doing? Mini Jenkins, how you doing as well? You're saying from the 10th? Neely says that I should look at that one instead? But I know I did it on this day. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Oh. Oh. Yeah, that seems easier. Oh, but this is MSys. Alright, let's try what Past Me did. Why am I'm in my home directory. How does this possibly work? There's no fucking way I would have figured this out. Can I load shared libraries ? How did I install this? Oh, I should have looked. I should have looked before I deleted it. Weird. Is it on PyPI? Oh, that is not a browser. Yeah, it looks like it. Oh god, fuck. Oh no, where did the window go? Here we go. Pip install install QMK. Melissa Butterfly says, I don't know what is the name of the operating system you are using. Well, there's actually 2 operating systems I'm using right now. And sort of 3? I don't know. You don't really count Cygwin as an operating system, but it kind of acts like one. I'm not using a Mac. That's for sure. Oh, why do you need Pillow? There's no way you need Pillow. Why are you trying to install Pillow? Why is it Python 3.8? That's super old. What is it? No deps? Yeah. And then if I run it, it'll tell me what's broken and I'll continually add things until it works. And I hope I don't need Pillow. Yeah, that's what we're going with. It seems you're not using the Minji W. I am. It's just wrong. Ugh. What the fuck? Why is this so shitty? Should I could maybe flash it with Linux. That might be easier. I don't have to fuck around with this. Yeah, let's try that instead. Oh, that's how you jump 1 frame ahead? It's E? Oh my god. That's so useful. Okay. Wait, where does that live? Why is this music silent? Next song. Stop being silent. Rishi, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. On the E drive. E Williams Wonsu. 2204 shared. Okay. Melissa Butterfly, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And C Miracle, thank you as well for the follow. Git clone you. And then I can just build it in Linux and copy it out of the VM to flash it. Yeah, that'll probably be the easiest thing to do. Look at how good the bot is, Rishi. It knows what's up. Well, we're about to get to this, but I'm trying to fix an annoyance with my keyboard. This is supposed to switch my scenes, but something broke in the latest VirtualBox update, and it's been working for like 2.5 years, and now it's not. And so I'm gonna see if adding a delay fixes things. Yes. Okay. Oh god, what the fuck? Error argument. Oh, I shouldn't have closed that. I shouldn't have closed that. Ah. 2020 is like number 58-ish? No, 59. I shouldn't have closed that because I wanted the command. No, I can't watch that. Where did I do the thing? Oh, here we go. 80 easy, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, actually, I can just do this and press up. Compile. That's the command I'm looking for. Compile. Compile. Lovekey. Hello, how you doing? Keyboards. KBO. BDN9. IDK. Move. Or copy. Key map. Alright, so then we can do QMK compile. KB KBO. What was the command I ran? KBO slash BDN9. KBO slash BDN9. KP. Not that one. KM. Don't have submodels, I guess. A search bit. Hello. I'm hopefully gonna be fixing R hooks, but I kind of want to fix my scene switcher too. So we're trying to build custom firmware for this fucker. Which I'm definitely not gonna have trouble with, and it's totally gonna work the first time, and we're not gonna have any issues at all. And I'm definitely not going to break my keyboard. Nope, none of that's gonna happen. Dude, what is going on? This is taking forever. Okay. Key map, keyboard. Yeah, alright. Send. Nowhere else to make target IDK stop. But it's right here. Positional arguments file name. Maybe we'll try that instead. Invalid JSON. What? What is going on? I bet I have other state in here. The Scientist E, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What are the odds that board is VIA compatible? I don't know what that means. But, I've done this before. It should just work. There's a bunch of PyCache directories. There's this directory. I don't think there's anything else in it. Oh, I had this in the wrong place. Alcos, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, that looks better. Oh, but they've, of course, changed how this shit works. So what we're gonna do is check out this old ass version. Yay, it's firmware built on QNK that has a nice desktop app. Oh. I see. Praise the sun. The Donatelli, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. We're gonna fucking put a little shell script so that I don't fuck this up next time. Just looking for this kind of live stream. Well, welcome, welcome. Wolford's also here. How you doing, Wolford? So it should have made a thing somewhere. Right here, I guess. Petrosol. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And build script for my key map. Push the right remote. Missed the beginning. What are we doing? Letting the bot answer you. But first, I'm trying to fix my scene switcher. Because it is broken with the latest VirtualBox update. Downloads. Yeah, nothing is sketchy there. Okay. Let's grab this from here. And I don't know what... I think I just pressed the reset button, right? I gotta find where the reset button is. Boy, no, don't unseat from the... Okay. Has done a thing. Does this still work? Okay, so that still works. Good, good. Does it work from in here? No. Let's increase the delay. See if that changes things. Let us change the delay. Let's make it 1,000. Let's see if this is even gonna work. If we make it 1,000, surely it should. Surely that should be enough, right? CP. Then I think I have to open it again, but let's click a little reset button. This. Oh, it's so slow. It's so slow now, but it... Does it even work? Oh, we're already on that scene, of course. So if I do this... Okay, so there's a 1 second delay. Does it work in the VM though? Seems the answer is no. Damn. That really fucking sucks. Alright, well then let's remove the delay and put it back to where it was before. I don't even know how to switch my scenes with it being broken. Okay, let's fix this. Let's put it at least back to what it was before. Aguas, hello, hello, how you doing? If I just do this, it'll... Assuming it uses the same file again. Alright, so now this should insta-switch. So it's broken, but it'll have to do for now. I wonder if this even works. Like if I press right control and then I press like the Windows key. No, it doesn't work. They've just broken this feature entirely. Awesome. Awesome. Love that. Yeah, host key combination, right control. Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, this is supposed to allow it to pop out. So annoying. I wish there was a way to make it not pass through particular keys. I bet there's gotta be a way to do that. Virtual box, don't pass through specific keys. It's open source, just fucking fix it yourself. What a prick. Crack, you're a prick. Yeah, that seems worse. Okay, I don't think there's a thing for this. Okay, I'll just be sad. That's fine. Okay, but at least I know how this thing works now. It's the wrong remote. Okay, cool. Enough of that. All right, on to Pregman stuff. Oh, also, I'm running my brother's new script, which counts the number of eggs. It's a little bit buggy, but I'm trying it out. It seems to be working, mostly. Not perfect though. Okay, Pregman stuff. So the problem is apparently, well, let's delete these things. Who are you? I don't think you need to exist. What are you? Hopefully also something that doesn't need to exist. T.py? What are you? Me demoing something. Patch. Don't need you. Probably don't need the Cossier directory. Okay. Let's fix the problem. The problem is, Pregman has two types of languages. Either they're installed or they're not installed. And R bleeds the boundaries between installed and not installed because it has to stick the R script command at the beginning of it. Because for whatever reason, R script doesn't tend to install binaries. People just distribute scripts. So it's weird and different. And because of that, I made a mistake in a change to pre-commit, which I assumed was fine, but did not completely understand the problem. And so I have to introduce a new thing, I think. Because I don't want to back out what I had before. I think I'm going to add isLocal as a boolean here, and almost all the hooks are going to ignore this. Except for R. Except for R. So let's add this everywhere. Oh, actually, it should probably go here, or maybe here. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna put this on all the things. Oh, let's not do it this way. Grep dash l def run hook. a Boolean trap, but it's not because it's named only. It's not actually. Okay, but then this needs to change. This needs to say is local equals is local. And then this needs to say is local bool. Prefix if file entry. That's the one that needs to decide based on whether it's local, I think. And there's this little bug here, I think, which is that this drops arguments. I don't think it should. We'll probably fix that at the same time as well. Yeah. This is called separately, or can that just be inlined? It is tested separately. Okay. Okay, so you are the one that needs to change. Is local bool. Elif is local. Return. Well, let's just start with this. I think that's the right thing to do. And why are all of the tests passing? They should not be passing. Because it's missing arguments. I guess the first ones are all unit tests that don't go this far. There we go. Testing slash language helpers. Yeah. Yeah, I'm very confused because one of the functions I just changed should have this one, command from hook. Okay, yeah, that's what I expect. This should have oh, maybe I didn't save? I feel like some of the unit tests should have failed. Mitos, hello. How you doing? What are you up to today? You've been here before. You know how to look that up yourself. You don't need me to tell you. Right? I think the song is looping, but it definitely isn't, but I feel like it is. Command from hook got unexpected keyword argument is local. What? It definitely has that argument. It's right here. These ones should be erroring. I'm so confused. Oh, I forgot a comma. That's a good call. That's a good call. That's a good call. Yeah, I forgot a comma. Yeah, that would do it. Oh yeah, now the unit tests are failing. Yeah, so that turned it into a starg. Wow, I don't think I've made that mistake before. That's certainly a very special one. Huh. Wow. Wild. Okay, so we should have a bunch of test failures now, but not the integration tests anymore. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good. Use local false. Use local equals false. Use local equals false. Okay. Test R parsing. Local hook path is not expanded. Man from hook. Use local equals true. The command should be everything else. No save, no restore, no site file, no environ. Path to thing.r. That should work. It does. It does now. But I also want to fix that other thing that I think was just a subtle, always broken bug, and should be an easy fix. It's very weird. You see, they're all passing locally in 301 also. Wait, that's weird. Hold on, let's run their repo. Maybe I'm chasing ghosts. Maybe I don't have to build this. Maybe this is a Pigment CI problem? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure their stuff's broken locally. I don't think Pigment CI is doing anything special here. Pigment config? Oh, they don't use the trailing whitespace one, do they? We need one of their R hooks. Let's just do Oh, pre-commit version. Hang on. You're on the absolute latest. Barodan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't know what it's doing. Well, I know what it's doing. It's building our junk from source. So now we wait. Oh, that was almost bad. I almost spilled my water everywhere. But I am speedy and caught it before it fell. I guess while this is running, we can do the other stuff. Test languages are test. Actually, let me make sure the other validation doesn't exclude this intentionally. I feel like it should be fine. Entry validate. Entry 0 is not our script. Okay. If it's -e, you can only have one expression. Oh, so it's just explicitly forbidden. Okay, that's fine. God, what the fuck? Failed to build get to R. Oh, fucking A. What do you need? What header am I missing? I should have maybe picked a different thing. Let's see if there's a simpler one in this pre-commit config. Like this spell check ordered exclude. Surely that one is simpler. Snazzy, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Magritter, Arlang, and Yaml. Yeah. Okay. Seems to be failing for me. But I know how to fix it. Yeah, so if I do this now, no, workspace, pre-commit, vm, pre-commit, run, all files. And I fix, no, it's in commands, run. Say is local equals hook dot repository equals local. Oh, that might not exist anymore. Hook dot source equals local. I don't know if that's right or wrong. Let's see if we commit less than 3. Okay, yeah. Good. It's failing in the same way. Oh, I know why. Because I deleted part of the config, and so it's trying to read part of the config. Okay, yeah, I understand. I understand what's going on here. I'm picking up what it's putting down. Yeah. Okay. Oh God. Swift has conflicts. Probably because this has the wrong arg spec. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Kind of hate it, but at the same time, I don't have another better idea. Our local hooks. Fix our local hooks. Fix our local hooks. Language R. Looks more like language script. You have to not append prefix. Run with work. Does it know where to put the dependencies? I guess this is how it does it. I guess that makes sense. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Blah 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 blah. Thank you. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, we have a new grammar to look at. And syntax line for mason.build files. We'll have to click the mine Bitcoin button. Is this even gonna work? It might. I guess it has to have, or this wouldn't have worked. Yeah, sure, fuck it. Seems fine to me. Seems fine to me. Logged my password manager? I am. Sweet. Oh, I gotta mine Bitcoin. I should really write a bot to go in here and change this setting to this one. Be better, but I have not done that. Whatever says, I'm back. What did I miss? Did you get enough content for your video? Yeah, I did. I ended up just using the toxic sample. But that video will come out 2 weeks from now? Yeah, I don't think I scheduled it for this week. Let's see, what do we have scheduled for this week? We have don't use short options and scripts, a hilariously over-engineered print, and how to escape this very mean prank. Aw, you don't even pass the test. What the fuck? Unknown source language testing maison.build. You didn't even run the tests. Why didn't you run the tests? Just screamy? I don't even know who this is. Surely it's somebody in the stream. I don't know why else they would be mucking around with Babby. Yeah, why doesn't this work? It should find it for that, in theory. Now I gotta figure out how this thing works again. It's probably because Identify doesn't know what to do with it. And how do you work? Compiler for file. Oh, so I gotta figure out how Babby works. Mammy, highlight? Highlight. Grammar. No grammars. Grammar for compiler for file. So it doesn't have tags. It doesn't get tags at all. Didn't find it in the past. Fast path need to read all the JSON. It just looks at the extension. Yeah. No. What the fuck with our keyboard? Bah, 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 bah. What the fuck with your question? Looks like you'll need to add identify support for JSON.build files. Sebasayala Dev says, what do you think about build modules to Python with C? What do you mean? Assemble your keyboards back? What do you mean, Anton? I don't understand. My keyboards are assembled. Oh, well, this one's not. This one's not plugged in. Oh, we'll just have to stress this one. It's a stress cube? Yeah, this is a stress cube. But I'm slightly trolling with ignorance. Hard to find one. Anton is memeing about my split. They think they're funny and I think I'm funnier. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, so this is building. That's fixed. The other person will fix the grammar stuff. I did something else today. What did I do today? Did I do something today? No. Oh. This is part of a video. Spoilers. Well, yeah, this is part of a video for next week. Rowan. Rowan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, I did get an update on the RVM stuff. Not a very good update, though. Not one that helps me understand what's going on. Where is that? RVM. So the guy replied to me. I think he misunderstood what I wanted. He's like, I'll invite you to the Slack channel, and then I'll give you SSH keys for uploading. Like, well, I don't want any of this. Sounds too much. Oh, Hendy says RVM update. Yeah, not much of one though. I think I elaborated better though. I don't need a particular version per se. I was mostly interested in understanding how to replicate the builds, such that I could build some pre-built binaries for other architectures and platforms. Frequent uses the RVM binaries to bootstrap Ruby environment, and I'm interested in setting up hardware automation and hosting, such that they're more readily available for some popular platforms. I was initially looking at how to replicate Ruby/setup Ruby's setup, but their binaries are not relocatable, making them not useful. And I know the RVM ones are, so I'm mostly looking for the magic sauce that enables that. Yeah. The Endless River! How you doing? I've given up trying to say the Endless River. You are now just the Endless Liver, and you're gonna have to deal. I feel like R changes their stuff quite frequently. Noise breaks pregment. Yeah, this time it's my fault. This time I changed it. But yeah, R is like one of the more special snowflake languages from pregment's perspective. It doesn't really work like any of the other languages. So it needs special help. Do you think that what Vim was created for Python language? What? No? I don't know what you're saying, but I'm pretty sure the answer is no. Yeah, almost certainly it's a no. But yeah, in theory, from what I understand, it's just RVM build. And if that's the case, then I can just build a bunch of these. And I guess now that I have ARM hardware, I could... Oh, how comfortable I am hooking that up to the internet. But in theory, I could build some more of these. And then have nice things. Eatsauce says it. Have you ever used R? No, I have not. I don't know anything about R beyond that Pregament supports it, and it's kind of a pain in the ass. Did this person update this? No. They pushed after I said stuff, but they did not. Interesting. Okay. Way things go. Yeah. I don't really have any other plans for today. I guess I could move another language over, although Marsha was helping me with that, but I'd rather do them now than wait. She's working on Go. I can probably do one of the other languages. What do we have left here? She's doing Go. Probably do .NET. Or Roost. I could do Roost. Yeah, we could do Roost. We could do Roost. Roost tests. Oh, but that's gonna need... maybe I shouldn't do Roost. Actually, I think all the remaining ones need the default language version. Well, I'll just steal that part of her patch that I gave her in the first place, so... It's not even like I'm stealing. I'm stealing from myself. Haha. This one. Except we also changed other stuff. No. That's not good. Oops. Patch. I think it's literally just this file. Git apply. Oh, git apply, and then this. Yes. All right. So test languages roost test. Oh, there's already stuff here. There's already stuff here. Yeah, so a lot of this can get replaced with the new functionality. The run language stuff. Testing.run language helpers import run language. But I need to have rest up available, so we are going to roostdiv. R is pretty good at statistical stuff. Use the right package, even faster, more memory efficient than Python, but the syntax is not so great. Oh, when indexing, yeah, that is always a doozy, isn't it? Rust is installed now. Great! Yeah, something like that. Okay, so let's start with just running the tests. Oh, they take forever. Take forever, I forgot. I forgot that they take forever. Oh, they take forever. That's why I'm doing this stuff. I don't have the time. Because they take forever. Yes. Okay. So start with you. Source dir equals to path dot join path. Source dir dot mkdir. Source dot join path main dot rs dot write text. Temp path dot join path. Prefix. So this is run language roost path temp path temp path roost. Hello underscore world. Version equals 1.56.0. Ret is equal to 0. Hello world bang. Marcia says, "Are you the Pigment creator?" I am. I am indeed. That's me. Matty asks, "Bro, why did you broke your keyboard?" Bro, why keyboard broken? I don't know, man. It just happened one day. I sneezed too loud and it split in half. More people know Python in academia, so it's often better to use Python even if you're an R wizard, so other people can participate, maintain, and contribute. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Should I do the same thing here? Probably. I am bald. Yes, it's sad. Wait, you were in someone else's stream. Whose stream were you in? Do you use NeoVim? Does it look like I use NeoVim? It's so easy to know the answer to that question. You just have to watch for like 15 fucking seconds. Test language version with rest up. Devo Bandito! Thank you for the resub at 21 months. It's good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Version 1.56.0 version. So we're gonna pass version. I think this is actually the more useful place to test this behavior, because this one up here actually doesn't matter. This is for default executable, right? Install Rust with toolchain. Yeah, if language does not equal, yeah, okay, so test do the same. There's no reason for types here. No. Then we can do run language. Ret equals run language temp path roost. Hello world. Version equals 1.56.0. Seng Zhu Shui. Well, I said that wrong, but thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Stop asking. Obviously he uses cat. Yeah. Glitch Micro says, "Do you code in Python?" Damn. Imagine if I wrote Python. That'd be wild. That'd be wild. uh, if you were to teach dear Mel about bash scripting, how would you do that? Did you watch the first episode? That's what we started with. When's the next juice lesson? I don't know, Meat Finder. Meat Sauce? Meat Finder. That's a different meat themed username that shows up in chat sometimes. Sorry, Meat Sauce. I couldn't find the first one. It's in a playlist. You go to youtube.com/anthonywritescode-vods. You go here. Yeah, I'll show you how to find it. Teach a man to fish. You go here. You can click playlists. And then you click Anthony Teaches. And look, you got episodes 1 through 4. 5 hasn't been uploaded yet because Juice hasn't sent me the VOD yet. I need to remind her about that. You have the latest one. Smiley face. Sigma, hello, hello. How you doing? Meat Finder, Monka S, yeah. Yeah. But anyway. Oh, you watched them from Mel's Twitch channel? Yeah, makes sense. That makes sense. There's no reason for all this. Blah 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 blah. Alright, let's try this now. 5 is funny, 90% banter, 10% teaching. Yeah, but that's how most of them go, right? Honestly, most of the reason that Mel wanted to make that content to begin with is that it was mostly just a fun place to chit chat. Currently on my Nokia. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This is moving Pokemon around in my box. Oh, you can already see it in the small screen. Oh, why do I have capital W? That is fuck up. That's why I have capital W, because I typed it that way. Yo, Alt F4. Is it BG? What do we have today? I think it's BG. I think I saw BG working earlier. On Twitter. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python software. I maintain a bunch of stuff that you might have heard of, such as Recommit, Flake8, PyFlake, SteadSnakes, Tox, PyUpgrade, PyTest, and about 50 other projects. Today we're working on Precommit, and my Pokemon script is running. This is a real Nintendo Switch that's hooked up to a capture card. It's hatching eggs because shiny Pokemon. Yeah, and right now I'm fighting with Roost a little bit. Well, I'm refactoring the Roost tests. Because I'm trying to reorganize the tests in Precommit because right now they take about a half hour. And if I don't run the language tests, they complete in like a minute. I'm moving stuff around. Atoda! It's Atoda who's here. How you doing? How was your stream? What were we working on? Dread Gamer! Hello, hello. Who just says fair enough. Okay, cool. Wilfred says, I'd have you know your rating has been adjusted. What does that mean? What does that mean? Hard to find one. Thank you for the resub of 2 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Appreciate that. Welcome, welcome. Oh, the egg stuff. Yeah. Toto says, went well, just cleaning out the back end of the project I'm working on. Oh, what are you building? I'm #1 now, Wilfred. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Gotta not ruin that though, right? Good Gosh Darn says, what do you think about PEP 703? I have already put my thoughts in a video months ago. So you can check out this one. Or if you don't want to check it out, the TLDR is, I don't think it'll happen, and or if it does happen, I don't think it fucking matters. Dread Gamer, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. 99.99% of the code that I run is single thread, and it doesn't matter. And process pool is good enough. Okay. Repository Roost. We need to find the Roost libraries. Okay, don't think you need to exist anymore. But you do. Football time. Sounds good, sounds good. Toto says, building a game release calendar, so check and vote on which game we're playing in the following months. Oh, that sounds cool. That sounds cool. Search shell harden in binaries. Shouldn't it just run them? I guess. Okay. Test Roost additional dependencies. Temp path dep. What is that thing called? Create. Store. Make local repo. Make local repo. Stir temp. Yes. First project figure I make is useful and something that I can relate to and understand. Yeah, that is what I always say. Is like if you're gonna build projects, build it for yourself. Build something that you want to see get done, because you're gonna be more motivated to finish it, and to work on it, and to learn from it. Gravenborg, that's just resubbed. I'm doing a POC. That's just resubbed at 18 months, which gets you a fancy new badge. Good to see you again. Hopefully you're doing well. Gravenborg says, hey streamer, I wrote a code to define 4,000 string literals and append them to each other in one line, and Flake8 is throwing me an error. Why is Flake8 so buggy? This is Flake8's full fix now. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny. It's true. It's true. People actually, that is a real thing. You say it like a yoke, but it is a real thing. Pedro says, eating some pizza. Oh, pizza's so good. I already had pizza this week though, so I can't have more. Well, I could have more. I shouldn't have more. Also, I haven't gone running this week except on Monday because of the snow. At least that's what I'm telling myself. So I feel spirally. John everyone, hello, how you doing? Last 2 hours of stream. Yeah, well, it'll be up on the YouTubes. I had to stop putting VODs on Twitch because Twitch was sending me spooky emails. So it'll be on YouTube. Zionic, hello, how you doing? Atoda says, gonna grab some pizza myself. God damn, everyone's got fucking pizza today. I want pizza. Why can I not have the pizza? Okay. Ret equals run. What am I doing? Pasta OG. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Run language with what? Temp path roost and parameterize dep. And then we what did we have? These two. We just copy paste you. Roost, and then probably do this, maybe? Yeah, that'll be fine. Deps equals dep. Insert roost on get default. What is it? Get default version? Get default version. The system. I want to make soup, but I forgot to buy stock when I was out. Oh no! This is equivalent to oppression. There's a Preox. Meat sauce also got pizza. God damn. Awana says I obligate you to fix free stuff for free. Yeah. It's wild how entitled people are. I hate it so much. I hate it so much. Dash languages roost. Dash K additional. I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright. I realized recently a kind of annoying thing that has to happen with pre-commit, which is additional depths key is sorted, which I don't remember why I did this, but it's actually terrible and it's going to be so hard to fix. Where is it? It's in here, is it not? No, it must be in here. What the fuck? Where are you? DB repo name. Yeah. This sorted call here is subtly wrong. And it's easy to fix. It's easy to fix. Like I literally just find this sorted call and remove it. Like no big deal. The problem is that is technically a breaking change. The cache will self-heal, but Pigment CI won't know what to do. So I'm gonna figure out a clever way how to roll this out. But yeah. dash version, no such file or directory. Fucking A. Really? Program doesn't have version? Really? Stupid ass thing. I guess I could just run it with no arguments. That would also work. Good work says I'm now 103 days sober. Pizza is craving me a relapse by ordering Domino's. So you haven't had pizza in 103 days. I see. It says, what do you think it will happen when we write all the software that is possible? I think that is not possible. It is not possible to write all the software that is possible. Otherwise we could solve the halting problem. Because we would know the finite store of software. Zankus B says, are those kind of keyboards worth it? I don't know, man. I got mine for free. You can read my review of it if you do Bang Keyboard. Other people in chat have gotten the same keyboard and say that they like it, so... I don't know. If I do this, will it fix it? Not in place. I need dash dash replace? Yeah, so we can do that. Acorn! With another raid. How you doing, Acorn? How was your stream? What were you working on? My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python software. Today we're working on pre-commit, which is one of the things that I've created. I'm also a maintainer of PyTest talks, Flake8, PyFlakes, Dead Snakes, PyCode style, and about 50 other things. Today we're refactoring some test stuff so that it doesn't take a half an hour to run. Microbic Music, hello, hello, how you doing? How was your stream? What were you working on? What were you up to? How were things? The join path. T.sh. Tsh.write. Echo hi. And then yeah, we can just do args equals ESH. I don't think I can quote it. Watch me. It's a new line for everybody. Techie girl, hello, how you doing? Igor says, stream went well. We worked on the render side project thing and Type Royale. Is Type Royale like a type racer sort of deal? I'm following the acorn, but it's not moving. It has not moved since it fell from the tree. Oh no. Well, hello, how you doing? Blurp, 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 blurp. This probably needs stir. Certain ret is equal to 0. And echo I. New line. In theory, if this is working correctly. Let us try it. Ozik's path has no attribute right. Yeah. Bite me. Inspired by Type Racer and Monkey Type. Nice. Willem says I'm okay. Rough couple of days, but doing better. Well, at least things are looking up. Wait, why is it printing colors escapes? It shouldn't be printing color escapes. Piece of software is buggy. It's not my bug. Anthonk, you don't want to see us on Type RL. We different on that game. Uh-oh. Your output was ugly. Colors make it prettier. Yeah, but it shouldn't have been using colors because I didn't tell it to use colors. And, here. Oh, we already have t.sh there, so... This is fine. That's fine to use colors. But if we are piping to cat, it shouldn't have colors. There's a P2. There's a T2I here. How about a colored diff suggesting changes? How about syntax highlighting? No, I don't want. I want the opposite of that. I want no syntax. No syntax. No such file art directory. What the fuck? Why does it have to color? I don't want it to color. I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea what Anthony's doing right now. I'm just here for the vibes. Yeah, well, that's a lot of most of chat anyway, so it's fine. You don't have to know what I'm doing. Mitsan says, what Python versions do your tools currently support, and how do you go about deciding which ones? Most of my tools are 3.7 plus. A handful of them are 3.8 plus, just because 3.7 is a pain in the ass. Usually I follow the Python support version, the supported versions, unless something is annoying, or unless I absolutely need a feature. Like for instance, I have a linter about the match statement, so obviously that has to be 3.10 plus. And import the metadata is a pain in my ass, so anything that needs that is now 3.8 plus. Yeah. For apps, I will just target whatever the newest version that I can get away with is. So like Frequent CI's runner targets 3.10 because that's the default Python on the hosts that it runs on. I don't really have any other examples of that. But yeah, that's one example. Silly Laird, hello, how you doing? Ah, this tool sucks. Why doesn't it do this correctly? I wonder if it's fixed in a newer version. Shell Harden GitHub. You have so many stars. Surely you have gotten this right by now, right? Yeah, let's try 4.2, 4.2.0. Blaze it. Maybe it's just an old version. Copium. Do you have an option now? You have more text? What about transform? That's a new option, right? That one doesn't have colors. You get a better mechanical keyboard for split slash ergodynamic. Like MX Black the most. That seems hard. Blacks are the heavy quiet ones. I have blacks on these. These are blacks. These are reds. I wish I didn't get reds. I wish I would have gotten browns. Because my favorite is my clears that I have on my other keyboard. But alas, I don't have that on this keyboard. Roost. Okay, we did you. Oh, I hate when YouTube pauses in the middle of like a bop. We're gonna start the song over. Test additional Rust lib dependencies. Oh, right. This little CLI thing is how that works. Got it. So yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Clears the bomb, yeah. MX is overrated. I don't know any of the history there. Like, it feels to me like MX is the most popular Switch. Is that just because they were mass produced and widely adopted, or is it because they're good? Or I don't know. I don't know anything. I am ignorant. Chief Strongjaw, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. These are not. These are fucking. What are they? They're like Gatoron blue something. Gatoron. They're like a dark blue color. What the fuck is the dark blue color? I don't know. And I have lime colored one somewhere. Let's go. Kyle Wells says, what is he doing? Bank today is a little not 100% right. Reorganizing pre-commits tests so I can make them go zoom zoom. Yeah. Blank fella, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Test Rust CLI additional dependencies. Test Rust lib additional dependencies. I set it basically the same thing as this. MX is definitely popular and fine, but the stem casing design makes the Switch always have a little wobble. Oh. Marketing? Marketing. Probably always marketing. How do I replicate this test? Because it does a whole bunch of other stuff that is different. Well, we can just run it and then assert that things don't exist. And then we gotta make it fail first. Yeah. 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 That's what we have to do. Okay, rent equals run language. Oh, we kind of need it to have stuff, don't we? No, that's not gonna work. We can do this. The original test actually set up the full thing. So maybe we do the same. Let's do this. Rather than a local repo here. Temp path roost and hello underscore world. And then deps equals deps. I'm gonna use the consistent version, get version. Assert ret equals 0. Hello world. And then I should do this temp path.join path. Rest env system bin shell harden. We have to do the same thing for Windows. Binder.join path. Oh boy. I've not tried too many other search styles, but Kali, Box, I think are purely better than the comparables. I think that is the type of switch that these are. Maybe. I don't fucking know. I bought them so long ago. It's been years. It's been so long. I'm so old. Okay. Oh, what did I change here? Hopefully nothing important. Let's run this test now. I think I'm gonna make a little helper that does this since that happens over and over and over. Kill me. Okay. Make hello world temp path with you. Maybe it should be a fixture. Make hello world. Snake! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Snake? Make hello world temp path. And we do that somewhere else too, right? Right here. Nice. Repository. Roost. Did you? Test local roost additional dependencies. We tested that already. Good. Oh. We should be able to delete you. Wicked Nasty Gaming, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Snake! Snake! I used camel case because a camel would win in a fight. Interesting. Sweet, and then coverage erase, coverage run, py test languages roost, and coverage reports include frequent languages roost. Depends on the snake. Introducing dragon case. Kebab case says Danger Bar. I'm actually kind of a fan of Kebab case, but I don't know how it would ever work in a programming language that isn't CSS. Because Kebab case is the ultimate you never have to press the shift key casing. But I don't know how to make an identifier without it being subtraction. But the shift key is the worst key, and kebab case is superior, therefore. You haven't rebound underscore with dash? Would break so much stuff. I have a cool idea though. It would break so much stuff. It would break so many things. Okay. Yeah. I need to make a release with this. Amara, by the way, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Test roost directly. Mapping prefix command output no longer needed. Oh, interesting. Interesting. You're still using C Python? Kinda outdated, bro. We've been on tilde Python for a few years now. Works great. Right? Wow, why did I use double quotes? Who killed me and replaced me with someone who used double quotes? Live in a day that using the Alt key on Windows as a menu selector is behind an option. I'd rather have the macOS option key behavior. I'm sorry, Meat Sauce, but I believe you were objectively wrong. Okay, what I want is Alt plus number to work in every operating system. Is that too much to ask? It's such a nice feature, but in Chrome, it's Control. Chrome on Windows, it's Control. And Mac OS, it's like Command. So it's like the different key for every fucking operating system. It drives me nuts. Dan Robot! How you doing? Hello. You'll break the pen? What pen? This pen? Yeah, Linux I think is the only one that gets this right. To be clear. Windows gets it right some of the time. But like, I don't think this works, yeah. Firefox? No. Firefox. I don't enable any of the optimizations until it reaches beta, because they cause compile times to take way longer, and they spend way more time debugging weird build stuff during alpha, beta stages. Mara, hello. What are your opinions on Alt Backspace? I have no fucking idea what it does. I don't think I ever use it. I don't know what it is, so I have no opinion, because clearly I don't use it. Does it like delete a word? Yeah, it deletes a word. Trugs? It surprises me we still don't have label terminal test. What does that mean, Belwada? I don't even know what that means. What do you mean? I literally can't hit Alt Backspace on my keyboard without contorting my hand. Both keys are on the same thumb cluster. Oh. Well, you gotta get good. Grow 2 thumbs. Gosh. You don't have 2 thumbs? Wait, everyone has most people have 2 thumbs. Grow 3 thumbs? You don't have 3 thumbs? Gosh. Blue 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 blue. Blah blah blah. Cool. What's the inverse of Control K? I don't know. I don't know that I've ever needed that. There's surely a thing, right? Okay, gotta make a release anyway. So let's do that. Oh, people are gonna be mad because of my sword and poetry and they're gonna yell at me. I hope they don't yell at me. Don't yell at me. I didn't do it. Not my fault poetry breaks things all the time. Those fuckers. Get clone? What am I doing? I had it right in the first time. Wild? So we actually have 2 fixes in this release. 3.0.2. What's the date, chat? 28th? 29th? It's the 29th. Let us see, what is today's date? It is the 29th. Do I need you anymore? Oh, that was back when I had the old bit display. Man, that was a long time ago. Don't need you anymore. Don't need you anymore. Yeah, that'll do. Fixes. 272 PR by me. Prevent local gem file from interfering with hook execution. Then the other one is 2728. Fix language are repo local hooks. Oh, that's not how this works. 2728. Here by me, but we gotta call it the issue, which is in pre-commit CI issues. Which is grumbly grumble, but whatever it do be thing. 107. Hi, Lawrence. Roll W suggests HPQ. You can label the tabs so you don't have to memorize that N tab was doing. Yeah, actually, my brother has a script for this that he likes. Where did he put that? Oh, he pins his repos. The goofball. Cat facts. Where the fuck are your programming notes, Daniel? Here they are. Damn, that was in 2019? Holy shit. Oops. No. This thing. My brother likes this a lot. Oh, that's actually probably not a good place to put it. So that he can say title pre-commit. And now we know this is the pre-commit tab. And then we make another tab and we can say title Pokemon. And title Pokemon. And then if we're in We can be in the Pokemon directory. And then you know, oh, I can go to the Frequent tab or the Pokemon tab. But I just keep it in my brain where everything is, so I don't do that. Elfinrod, hello, how you doing? Luca's still streaming. It's true. Found your Missouri counterpart on my way to sushi. Oh yeah, that is very similar to my car. Very similar to my car. Although I think they have the higher spoiler than I do. They have the showy spoiler. I have the non-showy spoiler. But yeah. Spoiler alert! Right? But yeah. And they get to drive it right now because they don't have snow. I'm a little jealous of, but it's the way things go, I guess. Set.cfg, get show name only, format equals v3.0.1. Okay, make sure we're pulled first. v3.0.2. Mm-hmm. 3.0.2. PyPI token. Bloop. There are potholes, so I wouldn't drive that in this weather. Oh. Yeah. Well, I mean, there's potholes here too, so there's potholes everywhere. It's unavoidable. Okay, so now that we've released that, then we can go to runner image. And pull here. And then do this. Should get us. Oh, I need to do the fucking changelog bullshit stuff. God, I hate changelogs. The world without changelogs, utopia.png. Or I think it's a JPEG. Yeah, it's probably a JPEG. Do I look like I know what a JPEG is? I've never even watched King of the Hill. That shit is stuck in my head forever. What are your favorite note-taking apps? You wanna know something fucked up? Tesla AX? Tesla AX? You wanna know something fucked up? I don't use any note-taking apps. I fucking hate Notion. I do have a to-do list app, but it's just the like whatever the fucking shitty built-in Android one is. What's the noise music? Asks Silly Laird. Here's the playlist. His favorite note-taking app is his brain. Yeah, I just remember it all. The server says, is it usual for Roost code to have dozens of mallocs and freeze? I thought the point was not having to do this and leak memory all over the place. Yeah, it's fairly normal for memory allocation to happen. Rust also doesn't really make any guarantees about not leaking memory. In fact, my experience with Rust is that it tends to leak memory, just sort of in general. Yeah. Useless pony. Hello. How can I know how the source code changed without a changelog? Alright. Oh. Oh, you were. Oh. Oh, I see. Got it. You were talking about King of the Hill. That is why I did not understand. Gryffindor is trolling, by the way, Dead Panda. If you haven't realized, everything that Gryffindor says is trolls. Preox is in now. Sounds good. Sounds good. Well, thank you for stopping by. Surely nothing could be broken in Setup Tools 67. Opium. Brain improvement. Sticky notes in my wallet. Oh. That assumes much for setup tools? Yeah. Honestly, any release starting in a digit is a buggy one for setup tool. God, they break so much shit. I fucking hate it so much. It's funny because I know exactly who I can blame too. Sushi was a stellar choice tonight, except the rice will give me issues. Thanks to dumb carbs. Oh, right. Right. Makes sense. Shay Habayan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Wondering why the compile was taking so long? J1 instead of J16? Yeah, that's not so great. J1 and 16 are very different numbers. Did I create the new PR? I did. Good. Perfect. Exactly as intended. Okay, so we gotta wait for this to merge. We gotta wait for this to merge. I'm gonna roll it out. Just do -J, yeah. The answer says, I found out why our database in CI was failing. Someone chose to store the database passwords in MD5, which thank God got removed. Oh, are you running in like FIPS mode? Oh, speaking of FIPS mode, I'm not looking forward. Are you ready for this? This is going to be a fun one. Oh, this is taking forever even for depth 1. Git -L MD5. And you might say, "Oh, Anthony, it's only 48 files. That's not that bad." But one of them is Redis, one of them is issue ingest, and URLs. God, we're gonna have such a fucking pain in the ass getting rid of MD5. Be show. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, this is nice. Hell, as long as I don't have to do it. Why is it even in this? Oh my god. Somebody was wrong. Oh, I bet if we hash this, it'll be faster. Oops. D5. Oh no. Do I dare look at whatever this Stack Overflow question is? Why are we using MD5? This literally doesn't fucking matter. Hash file. Why would there need to be a cache for that? What the fuck does this even do? X-Secret, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It's gonna be someone else's problem. I'm gonna delegate that work. Tips in terms of doesn't use MD5 because it's unsafe. So there's a thing called FIPS mode where the C library, the low level libraries on your machine don't even have MD5. It is a compiler error to have an implementation of MD5. And it's very popular in like government and high security stuff to run in FIPS mode. Like you don't have access to SHA-1 or MD5 or anything else that's deemed unsafe cryptography, which is a great idea. But actually getting there is a lot of work. What's the point? The point is supposed to be that it's harder to do the wrong thing. Obviously, someone could copy and paste an MD5 implementation and then, you know, all bets are off. And MD5 is not that hard to implement, so it happens. Root 3/2. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Seems sensible. SHA-256 to death. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't know MD5 was unsafe. Yeah, so MD5's been broken for more than a decade. It's pretty trivial to get an MD5 collision. In fact, I'm pretty sure you can get it on just like commodity hardware in the current year. And even SHA-1 is considered broken because you can rent enough clusters to compute SHA-1 collision. But yeah, that's why MD5 and SHA-1 generally you shouldn't use. I've heard that SHA-1 stuff with Git, but it always sounded stupid to me. Yeah, with Git arguably should have chosen SHA-256 to start with, but it would have been way slower, and now it's too late to fix. And so SHA-1 collisions happen in Git occasionally. I think Google has like a few famous cases of SHA-1 collisions. But they don't really use Git. They have like their own system random thing. But yeah, SHA-1 also kind of broken. Yeah, so on a day that I wasn't going to stream, 2.5 hours of stream seems pretty good. I've been late for these to merge, and then I'll deal with those offline. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Root 3/2 says, how do people typically test for FIPS compliance? Usually you run on a virtual machine that has been compiled for FIPS. That's how I've done it before. Lucy in the Sky and Toogie Boots, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, SHA-1 collision is pretty rare, but it still can happen. Seems like bad practice to take away bad tools that can't be used, but what do I know? I mean, I think it's a fairly good practice to do that. Like, it's the same argument that like guns don't kill people, people kill people. Like, if you don't have guns, you don't have gun death. If you don't have MD5, you don't make insecure hashing. Well, it's not necessarily true. Not quite a perfect analogy there, but if you don't have MD5, you don't use MD5 for password hashing. Very good. And that's a more appropriate analogy there. FFF Fresh, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That's not very Michigan of you to say. It's crazy. The previous owner of my house was definitely like an open carry kind of person, and I get their like right-wing nut job magazines and, you know, Gun Lovers Anonymous, blah blah blah, you know, covert conceal, blah blah. I get those all the time because they didn't fucking forward their mail at all. Did you find the place where they clearly left their gun safe? They took that with them, but I know where they kept their guns. Yeah, which is just fucking wild to me. It's not the weirdest thing that I saw while touring houses though. The weirdest thing that I saw while touring houses is this one house literally had a torture dungeon in their basement. Like, not just like, your run of the mill BDSM, room. No. There were like deadly weapons and like all sorts of like crazy stuff in there. But yeah, house hunting, that was a fun one. MD5 is really easy to crack. Yeah, that's basically what we were talking about. Bruno says, as a security person, secure defaults is like the strongest thing that actually works. Security by inconvenience. Yeah, make it easy to do the right thing. What the fuck, haunted house? Don't buy, please. Yeah, the house had other problems too, but that was definitely like the cherry on top. It was the most strangely designed house that I've ever been to. The house had no room. Well, it sort of had rooms. It didn't really have rooms. The house was basically 3 very, very long hallways. And then just like room dividers, but no actual rooms. Like, and it didn't really have bedrooms. It kind of felt like a prison minus the walls, but also torture dungeon in the basement. So it was a weird fucking house. Anyway, that's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/anthonywritescode 3 times a week. So subscribe there if you're interested in non-stream content. If you're interested in stream content, I upload those to my second channel at anthonywritescode-vods. I no longer upload them to Twitch because Twitch sent me scary DMCA emails, so now they only go up on YouTube. So if you want to watch them there. I'm also trying to get to 1,000 subscribers there so I can monetize the channel. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Yeah, and normally I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, unless it's one of these one-off unplanned streams like today, which I did announce, but I will always announce them on the Discord. So hop on by there, join the Discord, come hang out with us. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask programming questions, then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well. You just want to hang out. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.